What's up, you guys? It is Lauren and Sam with a little bit of a hitch, and we are really excited because today we're going to share with you a bit about our Airstream maintenance routine, which typically Sam and I try to perform 2 times a year. Currently, it is the springtime here in South Carolina, and there's also a tropical storm happening in South Carolina, so pardon the noise, but we're excited to share with you our maintenance routine.
If we get picked up and put down in the Bermuda Triangle midway through this video,
if you see objects flying past, don't be alarmed.
whether you're full timing or you are taking your Airstream out for a spin a couple times a year, it is still very, very important to perform routine maintenance so that you can spend more time adventuring down the road and less time fixing things.
And when Sam and I started full timing in our Airstream trailer 3 years ago, a lot of this was really intimidating. There's just so much misinformation out there that it's kind of hard to know what exactly you need to be doing to keep your rig in good shape.
Insert the Air Gear Airstream Essentials Maintenance Kit. I think I nailed the name, did I not?
Air Gear Maintenance Essentials Kit, yeah.
That's what I said, nice. The contents of this bag would have saved us so much heartache as novice RVers a couple years ago. So let's walk through what's inside this kit and why we think it's invaluable. So this kit comes with 14 essentials and a little bit of extra space if you want to add your own gear. We added a screwdriver, a small roll of duct tape, and an emergency beer just in case my do-it-yourself projects run into overtime, which they frequently do.
Airstream travel trailers have a lot of moving parts, and they do require some extra love and attention. To start, the kit includes Aerospace 303 protectant, which can help with any sticky rubber seals around windows, vent fans, or doors. Next up, we've got the Boeshield T9 waterproof lubricant and corrosion protectant. This stuff is really great for metal hinges, locks, awnings, and those dreaded squeaky doors that let everyone know in the park that you're going in and out of your trailer. So engage stealth mode, people. No,
we're on the same page at all. So your maintenance routine should also include checking your electrical connections and maintaining them. This kit includes deoxit, dielectric grease, also a burnishing tool, and then a brass brush as well. This topic hits very close to home to us. Why does it? Because
Sam and I had an experience where our shore power cord was essentially burnt. It just got overheated from us running our air conditioning nonstop last summer.
Obviously, we weren't maintaining and checking our electrical connections as well as we should have, and it put our little burrito at risk. So do not do that.
Check your cords, people, and clean them.
It actually feels pretty good.
Does it really?
Yeah. The maintenance kit also comes with an assortment of spare blade fuses and a fuse puller tool to assist with any fuses that need to be replaced.
We spend time as well checking for any loose rivets and screws in our trailer. The kit comes with spare number 8 screws, which can be used in several different places in your Airstream when it's needed, and it also comes with blue threadlocker to help secure screws that just keep coming out. The kit also comes with Teflon tape to help fix any potential leaks at threaded gas and water fittings. It also comes with a silicone hose washer replacement to fix a water hose that leaks at the fitting, which we have dealt with on several occasions. And if you have any questions at all about where you should be applying this stuff in your Airstream trailer, Air Gear went and provided you with a handy little instruction manual with everything in the kit and where you should be using it in your trailer. They just really think of everything.
So having dealt with pretty much all of these things, we have come to realize how important this kit truly is.
Yeah, honestly, spending an hour or two just a few times a year working on routine maintenance on your Airstream can save you many headaches down the road. Trust us when we say that. And when you open your Air Gear Maintenance Essentials kit, honestly, half the work is already done for you, which is amazing.
Except that beer is not going to drink itself, people. That one's on you. With that being said, happy maintenancing. Maintenancing?
Maintenancing.
Maintenancing, it's a word. And more importantly, happy trails.
Happy trails.